¡Y fuego caliente! ¡Fuego caliente! ¡Come on! ¡Come on! Caliente, caliente, le gusta la gente. It's getting hotter. Caliente. It's getting hotter.
Yes, it's time for Carico to heat things up again as we prepare for our next exciting annual vacation. For over 40 years, Carico has been changing people's lives with new cars, new homes, and the hottest travel incentives in the industry.
Carico has changed my life because I had the opportunity to travel different countries like Brazil, the Bahamas, and my favorite place was the Bahamas because I got to go to Atlantic Hotel and it was very beautiful.
That's what Carico is all about. It's just coming in, making money, traveling the world, and changing people's lives.
The Carico family has enjoyed five-star resorts in popular destinations throughout the world. Experience the good life as you explore unique places, make new friends, and feel the excitement of a Carico trip. We invite you to live the good life and realize your dreams as you travel the world in first-class Carico style. And this year, we heat things up even more as we take you to an exciting new destination that will electrify your thinking and put the spark back into your attitude. An area of amazing beauty and breathtaking views. A retreat where you can play all day and party into the night. Yes, this will be Carico's hottest trip ever, so you can't afford to miss it. Join us for 7 days and 6 nights at the fabulous Paradisus Playa Conchal, the premier all-inclusive beach and golf resort in spectacular Costa Rica. You can't imagine a vacation this relaxing. Activities abound in this exotic paradise where you can explore the splendor of the tropics as you enjoy unsurpassed service and world-class facilities. Nestled in the green forests of Costa Rica's magnificent North Pacific Riviera, the Paradisus spreads its 2,400 lush acres over an enchanted land where natural beauty meets outstanding service to create the ultimate five-star all-inclusive luxury destination. That's right, everything is included. Gourmet cuisine, premium cocktails, incredible entertainment, and all the great times you can possibly imagine. From the moment you step through the doors, you'll experience luxury, elegance, and excitement at every turn, as the Paradisus provides an unmatched array of all-inclusive activities and entertainment options. A true tropical paradise complete with vibrant gardens and sparkling fountains. The resort is a private and expansive playground ideal for enjoying the white sand beaches and lush, spectacular landscapes of Costa Rica. Designed to exceed your expectations, all of the suites at the Paradisus Playa Conchal Resort feature a living area with sofa, marble floors, and a private terrace or balcony featuring incredible views of Costa Rica's natural beauty. Plus, each room features a fully stocked minibar and access to 24-hour room service, all included with your stay. And just when you thought it couldn't get any better, our top VIP qualifiers will receive the resort's premier Royal Service treatment. Each Royal Service suite features a breathtaking ocean view and access to many premier amenities. Plus, our VIPs will also enjoy preferred reservations for restaurants, spa treatments, and other special activities. As one of the newest and most impressive all-inclusive resorts in Costa Rica, the Playa Conchal Resort offers everything needed for the ultimate vacation. Relax in one of 3 outdoor swimming pools, 7 whirlpools, and 2 small children's pools. Or cool off at Playa Conchal, the most exotic beach on Costa Rica's Gold Coast. Numerous exciting restaurants and dining options make every day at Playa Conchal an international adventure of taste, temptation, and fun. As an all-inclusive resort, we invite you to indulge in any and all of the tantalizing and magnificent creations prepared by our international chefs and enjoy unlimited premium drinks or a selection from their extensive wine list. Choose from a wide range of traditional and exotic fare, including everything from ethnic specialties, casual dining, and Asian fusion to delicious gourmet dishes. The young ones will love the resort's Kids Club, a fun-filled, friendly environment featuring 2 playgrounds, mini climbing wall, teen disco, games, movies, and even a special children's menu. Visit the resort's shopping arcade featuring boutiques, jewelers, gift shops, and a mini supermarket. Enjoy the pampering hands of the professional staff at the spa at Paradisus. Work out at their fully equipped gym and then re-energize with a variety of facial and body treatments. Experience an array of outdoor activities, including horseback riding, ATV tours, bicycling, scuba diving, snorkeling, kayaking, and much, much more. Enjoy live entertainment and shows nightly at the resort's theater. Try your luck at their state-of-the-art casino, featuring all your favorites: roulette, blackjack, craps, slot machines, and more. Spend a day on the green and enjoy a round in paradise at the Reserva Conchal, a challenging course set against a magnificent tropical backdrop. The Paradisus Resort is the pinnacle of luxury, artfully blended within its exotic natural habitat. And to complement these surroundings, exquisite all-inclusive service allows unlimited enjoyment of delectable cuisine, premium drinks, a variety of entertainment, and extensive pampering services. Luxurious and comfortable accommodations in a genuine paradise. The Playa Conchal truly is a real-life fantasy. No one travels quite like the Carrico family does. So join us as we turn up the temperature for our hottest annual trip ever at the amazing Paradisus Playa Conchal Resort, an oasis of pure luxury in the world's last paradise, Costa Rica. And don't forget, our top VIP qualifiers will be treated to the resort's exclusive Royal Service treatment. Either way, you've got to be a part of this tropical getaway, September 27th through October 3rd, 2008. Don't miss your chance at this special trip. We'll see you there.